have choice. You have options. We aren't the only business application and platform and business AI company on the planet. We strive to be the best because we need to be at our best to help you be at yours. 300 million people wake up every morning logging into our cloud applications to run their business day. Our portfolio cuts across the entire suite, and obviously we can never take that for granted. We talk about the tens of thousands of customers that work with SAP, that rely upon SAP, that run their business on SAP. But today we only get to show a few. Today we're going to have PureTech Scientific, Tropicana brands, Fresenius, and Hitachi High-Tech to share their stories.
I needed a solution that would enable us to move forward with speed, efficiency, scalability. I could be confident that the infrastructure was being managed and secure. And with that left us with an awesome choice for growth. SAP has an awesome suite of tools that enable that rapid implementation. We also invested in DMC, Digital Manufacturing Cloud, as well as Sales Cloud, and so those should be implemented by the end of this month, actually, and after that, then AI, the Joule application that's already embedded in, which is something that's it's almost like a nice to have, but it's an awesome opportunity for us.
Tropicana really needed a modern ERP in terms of leaner, simpler, more streamlined ways of working. You know, that was really at the core of what we needed across the value chain. And then when you bring the technology and couple it with the unified business architecture powered by SAP, the choice for us was clearly RISE. What we have today allows us to run our business on SAP. It's powered by SAP. And that's a lot, the ability to have that seamless transition from where we were to continue with that speed and momentum, cascading into the future. The gift of time is clearly the value creator that I see with AI, being able to work more efficiently, being able to take that time and translate that to what matters to you.
87% of the world's transaction run through an SAP system. And a little question here in the room, with the momentum we have with RISE, what do you believe, how many percent actually run already through RISE customers? It's already more than 25% of the world's commerce is running through our RISE with SAP customers.
We did not only the SAP RISE migration, we also did a complete cloud migration of our data centers worldwide. And we did it together, and I find that quite remarkable. We have hundreds of applications in our data center now that are in the cloud, that are applications on the SAP side that do GXP, so fantastic. That was complete new to everybody. And the only way to get there, in our opinion at least, is to be on a cloud-based infrastructure in the first place, because otherwise most of this stuff doesn't quite work, right? Or you don't have the same performance or capabilities. And that, for us, together with future Fresenius, will drive the next few years.
For us, the partner ecosystem is so essential. And that's something where we're super proud that basically, for sure, together with the partners and customers, we want to help to drive this adoption. So, and especially in the age of AI, the topic of innovation, adoption, and acceleration to embrace it becomes even more important. And we want to help you to take these benefits of SAP Business AI into your user base. Think about the new world, how you can configure systems, how you can develop code with leveraging AI. And I think it's super important for us to be clear that the clean core is not just for the sake of the clean core. It's actually a means to get to an innovation-ready, to an upgrade-ready system to be able to embrace these innovations.
We wanted to run our global business processes more efficiently and further accelerate our business. Our goal was simplify the business process and digitize the management information. Let me explain about the benefit of the clean core. Clean core ERP dramatically lightened the operational workload. Upgrading our old ERP took about a year and a half from the planning stage. However, with clean core, we can now do upgrade every year in about 40 days on average. Every year upgrade and keep clean core fresh means new features can be delivered to our business quickly, like AI or process automation.
RISE is certainly more than just a technical migration. It's really this ambition for business transformation as a service to really accelerate the business value. And ultimately, we want to basically help you to bring the best out of our entire holistic portfolio, where I feel that we have a huge opportunity together to make that a reality. Thank you very much.